Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you some cool extensions, Chrome extension, Brave extension, doesn't really matter, it will work in all of them. So before starting, make sure you are subbed with the bell notification on, and let's jump straight into the first extension. So all the extension we will download is from Chrome Web Store. You can just search it on Google. Okay, so the first extension is Shazam. Okay, so what Shazam does is when you are watching a YouTube video and there is a background music which you really like, you want to know the name of that background music, so you can use this extension to find the name of the song. So to install this, just you have to click on add to Chrome and just click on add extension. Now you see this puzzle piece, this is the extension button. If you click this, you can see all the extension you have installed. So we are gonna pin this, and to use it, let's hop on to YouTube. So if you want to know the background music, just click on this Shazam icon, and there you go, there's our background music. So yeah, that's how you use it. Let's move on to the second extension, which is return YouTube dislike. So as you know, YouTube has removed the dislike button. You can't see how many dislikes a video has got, so you just search return YouTube dislike button. Okay, so this one, so what you have to do is just add to Chrome, and now you have installed it. So now if we open a YouTube video, okay, so now we can see the dislikes. So yeah. Okay, so as we know, in 2018 YouTube changed their UI, and some people like the old one. So if you want to return the old YouTube look, so what you have to search is YouTube Redux, and now you can see YouTube Redux. Just install it to your browser, add to Chrome. After installing, this page will pop up. Now you can change some settings like how many videos you want in per row in your home page, use the dark red color, and there are lots of options. So let's hop on to YouTube. Okay, so now we can see the old YouTube UI, and if you open a video, suppose, so now if we open a video, now you can see the old UI. So yeah, so the next extension is Dark Reader. This extension helps to force dark mode every website. So you can just click on add to Chrome. Now everything will be dark mode. So now you can see it is opening in the dark mode, and you can change some settings. You can turn it off from here. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and you got loads of options. So yeah, now let's jump right into the next extension, which is Touch VPN. So there are a lot of softwares of VPN which you don't really need, because you can just install Touch VPN. Now you can use it for Netflix, and you can serve the website which is banned in your country. Suppose for me, TikTok is banned in India, so by using and clicking on Touch VPN, and now you can select where you want to connect. Suppose I select United States and hit on connect. It will take a while and it will connect to United States. So now if I search TikTok, okay, as you can see, I can use TikTok now. So yeah, let's move on to the next extension. Okay, so the next extension is Picture in Picture. It is by Google. Okay, so this extension will help you in multitasking. You can watch a YouTube video in this picture mode, and now you can open any software you want, and now you can see the videos here and do whatever else you want to do on your PC. So yeah, let's jump to the next extension, and it is a very cool extension. It is called Voxel Rebound. Just like Geometry Dash, if you have played it, it is paid on Steam. It is a paid game on Steam. You can just download Voxel Rebound as an extension to your browser, and now you can just play it, and just click on Voxel Rebound, and now you can play on full screen and click on play. You can see all the levels are here. Let's play with level 1, and now you can play this game in your browser without installing it. And yeah, this was the last extension, and hit like if you install any one of these. So yeah, this was it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.